Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम। क्विक एंड क्लियर में आज हम कुछ ऐसे मैथमेटिकल टिप्स डिस्कस करेंगे जो इजी भी हैं और टाइम सेविंग भी हैं। स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स, बिजनेसमैन और प्रोफेशनल एग्जामिनेशंस में अपीयर होने वाले स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ये टिप्स बहुत ज़रूरी हैं। आइए डिस्कस करते हैं। हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन देखेंगे 2 डिजिट्स नंबर की। Let us first take two numbers, 12 into 13. We write them like this, 12, 13. Now multiply these two numbers, write 6 here, make it a 2-digit number. Multiply these two numbers, 1, make also this 2-digit number. Then 3 ones are 3, 2 ones are 2. 3 plus 2, 5. Write 5 here. Add them. Get 6, 5, 1. That is 12 into 13 is equal to 156. अब हम दो नंबर्स और लेते हैं, 25, 26. We write them as, take the product of these two numbers, 5 and 6, 30. Take the product of these two numbers, 2 and 2, 4. Complete it by adding 0. Then 6 into 2, 12. 5 into 2, 10. Add them. We get 22. Right here 22. Add. We get 0, 5, 6. So that 25 into 26 is equal to 650. Take numbers 48, 64. Multiplication of 8 and 4 gives us 32. Multiplication of 4 and 6 gives us 24. 8 6 are 48. 4 4s are 16. Their sum is 64. Right here 64. Add. We get 2, 7, 3072. Take another set of numbers. Write them like this. Take product of these two numbers, that is 20. Product of these two numbers, that is 20. Multiply 5 and 5, 25. Add 4 into 4, 16. We get 41. Write 41 here. Add. We get 0, 3. पहले हमने 2 डिजिट्स की मल्टीप्लिकेशन देखी। अब हम स्क्वेयरिंग ऑफ 2 डिजिट नंबर देखते हैं। सबसे पहले लेते हैं एक नंबर 23. वी शैल फाइंड आउट द स्क्वायर ऑफ 23. फर्स्ट स्टेप में हम 2 और 3 को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और इसको फिर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करके उसका प्रोडक्ट लिख लेते हैं, दैट इज 12. नाउ वी टेक द स्क्वायर ऑफ 2, दैट इज 4. वी टेक द स्क्वायर ऑफ 3, दैट इज 9. मेक देम 2 डिजिट नंबर. Take this 12, right here, 1, 2, add, we get 9, 2 plus 0, 2, 4, 1, 5, 5, and we get. So we have calculated the square of 23 in a very easy way. We now take the square of 52. Step 1, 5 into 2 into 2, that is 20. Then 5 square 25. 2 square 4. Make it a 2-digit number. Add 20 here. We get 4, 0. So we have got the square of 52 as 2704. We now take another number 44. First step, 4 into 4 into 2, that is 32. 4 square 16. 4 square 16. Add 32. 6, 3, 9, 1. We get 1936. So we get the square of 44 as 1936. We shall now calculate the squaring of two-digit numbers ending with 5. Such as 35, 65, 75 and 85. First we take 35. We write them like this. Take the product 25 and out of these two numbers, equal numbers, make 3 as 3 plus 1, that is 4. Multiply this 4 and 3, we get 12. So the square of 35 is 1225. 65 square (5 into 5). Increase this number by 1, get it 7. Multiply 7 and 6, we get 42. Write it here. We get the square of 65 as 4225. So we write 75 square multiply 5 and 5, get 25. Increase 7 by 1, we get 8. Multiply 8 and 7, we get 56. So the square of 75 is 5625. Lastly, we take 85. Square of 85 is 85 into 85. Again we multiply 5 by 5, get 25. Increase this number 8 by 1, we get 9. Multiply 9 and 8, we get 72. Such that the square of 85 is 7225. We now take up multiplication by 11. Take up the central example 12 into 11. What we do, we write 1 here, we write 2 here, and take the sum of these two numbers, 1 plus 2, that is 3. So 12 into 11 is equal to. Take another number, multiply it by 11. We write 2 here, 4 here, 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 4, 7. So 234 into 11 is equal to 2574. Still take another number, 1, 2, 3, 4 into 11. We write 1 here, write 4 here, 1 plus 2, 3 here, 2 plus 3, 5 here, 3 plus 4, 7 here. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4 into 11 is equal to 13574. This is very easy example of multiplying any number by 11. We now take multiplication of 56 and 11. We take 5 here, 6 here, and sum of 5 and 6. So we take 6, we take 1, and since this number is a two-digit number greater than 10, this one has to be carried to 5 to make it 6. So that 5, 6 into 11 is equal to 616. Lastly, we take a three-digit number 768 and multiply it by 11. As usual, we write 7 here, 8 here, sum of 7 and 6 13 here, sum of 6 and 8 14 here. We write 8 here, we write 4 here. Again, this is a two-digit number greater than 10. This one has to be carried to this 3 and 1 4, and this one has to be carried to this 7 to make it 8. So that 7 6 8 into 11 is equal to 8 4 4 8. अब हम एक और शॉर्टकट मेथड देखते हैं किसी भी नंबर को 9 से मल्टीप्लाई करने का. फॉर एग्जांपल, पहले डिजिट लेते हैं 23, इसको 9 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, तो हम 23 को 230 बना लेते हैं पहले 0 लगाकर, और उसमें से यही नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं 23. So this is 23 into 9 is equal to 207. We take another 3-digit number, 234 into 9. 234 again, and we add 0 here and subtract the same number 23 from here. We get 2106. So that 234 into 9 is equal to. We can also take a 4-digit number, 1 2 3 4. Again we add 0 here, make it 1 2 3 4 0. Subtract 1 2 3 4 from it. We get so that 1 2 3 4 into 9 is equal to 11106. We now take multiplication by 99, 999 and 9999. Let us take यहाँ पर इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट ये है कि जितनी डिजिट्स 99 में 2 डिजिट्स हैं, इतनी 2 डिजिट का नंबर इधर है. यहाँ 3 डिजिट नंबर है 999, इधर 234 है, इधर 9999 है, तो इधर 2345. दैट इज 4 डिजिट्स बोथ वेज. सो नाउ वी मल्टीप्लाई. Subtract 1 from here, we get 2, 22. Now 9 minus 2, write 7 here, 9 minus 2, write 7 here. So that 23 into 99 is equal to 2277. Similarly, subtract 1 from here, we get 233. Then subtract 9 minus 2, 7, 9 minus 3, 6, again 9 minus 3, 6. So this is 234 into 999 is equal to 233766. Now subtract 1 from here. 9 minus 2, 7, 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 4, 5, again 9 minus 4, 5. So that 2345 into 9999 gives us 2344765. ऐसा नहीं है कि डिजिट्स का इक्वल होना जरूरी है. हम ये भी कर सकते हैं कि 999 को 23 से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, लेकिन इसके लिए हमें इसके आगे एक 0 लगाना पड़ेगा ताकि नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स इक्वल हो जाए. अब हम क्या करेंगे, इसको रिड्यूस करेंगे और फिर 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 2 7 and 9 minus 2 7. This is the result. Similarly, second example, we are multiplying 999 by 556. We add 1 0 on the left side and then reduce it by 1, and 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 5 4, 9 minus 5 4. We get 55,944. आई होप आपको सभी मेथड्स अच्छे लगे होंगे, क्लियर होंगे और आप इनको अपनी डेली लाइफ में यूज़ करेंगे और इसके अपना टाइम सेव करेंगे और एक्यूरेसी का भी ध्यान रखेंगे। अभी हमने कुछ मैथमेटिकल टिप्स देखे, आइए अब 9 के कुछ फैक्ट्स के बारे में बात करते हैं। फैक्ट नंबर 1, if we subtract the sum of the digits of a number having 2 or more digits from the number itself, the result is 9. Let us take the number 14. Sum of the digits is 1 plus 4, that is equal to 5. If we subtract 5 from the number, we get 9. Take another number, 53. Sum of the digits of 53 is 5 plus 3, that is equal to 8. If we subtract 8 from 53, we get 45. Sum is 4 plus 5, 9. Not only 2 digit number, we can take a 3 digit number also. Take 2, 3, 4. Sum of the digits is 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is equal to 9. If we subtract 9 from 234, we get 225. Sum of whose digits is again 2 plus 2 plus 5, that is equal to 9. We can also take a 4 digit number, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the sum of the digits is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is equal to 4, 3, 7, 2, 9, 1, 10. If we subtract 10 from this number, we get 1, 2, 2, 4. Now we see that the sum of these digits of the number of this number is 9. So that is true. Now fact number 2. Table of 9. Look at the formation of the table of 9. We write number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now reverse the order and write start from here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And we get the table of 9 as such. Now the interesting fact about this is that every number has some 9. 1 plus 8, 9. 2 plus 7, that is true about 9. Fact number 3. If we multiply any number by 9, the sum of the digits of the resulting number is always, for example, take number 23. If we multiply it by 9, we get the sum of the digits of the resulting number is 2 plus 0 plus 7, that is equal to 9. We take one more number, 67. Multiply it by 9. 9 7s are 63, carry 6, 9 6 54 and 6 60. The sum of the digits of 603 is equal to 9 again. Now let us take some 3-digit numbers. Take 222. Multiply it by 9. 9 2s are 18, carry 1. 9 2s are 18, 1, 19, carry 1. 9 2s are 18 and 1, 19. Now the sum of the digits of the resulting number is 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 8. That gives us 27. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. We can yet take another number, 203 multiplied by 9, we get 9 3 is 27, 9 2s are 18. Take the sum 1 plus 8 plus 2 plus 7. That gives us 7 2 9, 8 17, 1 18, 1 plus 8, again 9. So we see that if you multiply any number by 9, the sum of the digits of the resulting number is always 9. Now let's take fact number 4. If we add 9 to any number, the sum of the digits of the original number and the resulting number is same. For example, take the number 52. If we add 9 to it, we get 61. What we observe, that sum of 5 and 2 is 7, and the sum of 6 and 1 is 7. We take yet another example. Add 9 to it, we get 83. So we see that sum of 7 plus 4 is 11, and sum of 8 plus 3 is 11. We can also take a 3-digit number. Let us take 2, 3, 4, add 9 to it, we get 2, 4, 3. Now the sum of 2, 3 and 4 is 9, and the sum of 2 plus 4 plus 3 is again 9. We can take one more number, add 9 to it, we get 354. Again we add the sum of the digits 3, 4, 5, we get 12. Here also 3 plus 5 plus 4, we get 12 again. So we see that if we add 9 to any number, the sum of the digits of the original number and the resulting number is same. So that is another interesting fact about 9. For more interesting content, keep watching Quick and Clear. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.